How to fix Messenger view files and media options not working. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this very problem of yours. First of all, visit the Google Play Store. Now on the top search bar, you need to search for Messenger right here. After you search for the Messenger, make sure it's installed and updated to the latest version. If you have already opened and still the messages are not opening and you cannot view the files and photos on your Messenger application, then I'll suggest you to just long press on your Messenger application from outside. Tap on the very eye icon right here. Now after that, scroll down and tap on the storage option from here. Go and clear your data and also clear your cache from here. After you already do so, you can again force stop, uninstall and reinstall your Messenger application from your Google Play Store. Now when you open the Messenger application, then you should be able to see all the files and videos do work properly now after you re-log into your Messenger account. But if it does not work, then you can go to the help center of Messenger and it can help you with further process. So yes, that's how you can solve your problem. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below.